guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Danny and welcome to my channel Down South with Danny. Today we're going to be talking about some project painting. For those of you who don't know, there's an entire community here on YouTube and Instagram that focuses on using up their products. And I happen to be a part of that community as well because I spent a lot of time last year painting and doing a lot of project paintings. This year I kind of got off track. I got caught up in all the shopping and all the great pretty things that have come out and I got on track. But I'm back on track. I'm going to try to do some hands for the last quarter of the year from now to December and just kind of work on loving what I have a whole lot, okay? So today's project pan is going to be a rolling skincare project pan and I'm going to run it through the end of the year. I'm going to start with 5 products and just keep replacing a product. If I can get rid of one, put another in. It may not be the same type of product, but it will be another skincare product and I'll introduce it as I put it in and I'll keep using and we'll go from there. So the first product I have is the Herbivore Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. I am about right here on this mask and I only have probably like 2 uses left in it, and so I like to use it up probably this week. This is the first thing to go if I remember to use it. That's the situation with mask. Next up we have Glossier Priming Moisturizer Buildable Hydrating Cream. I'm like right above the word Glossier on this, and let's see, further down you can see I'm well over halfway, so maybe like 2/3 of the way through this, and I've had this open since this summer. It has a 24-month shelf life, but I want to go ahead and knock it out because of other moisturizers in the wings waiting to be used, as you will see in an upcoming skincare video that I'm going to put up pretty soon. Skincare collection video. Number 3 is Farmacy Green Screen Daily Environmental Protector with Echinacea Green Envy. It has both zinc oxide and titanium dioxide in it, and it's a sunscreen, and those things kind of break my face out a little bit. So I just kind of want to get those out. I'm going to go back to using my Glossier sunscreen. That's what I'm looking for. And now I like it a lot because this one kind of leaves like a blue tint on my face, so it soaks in completely, but the Glossier is clear and invisible, and I really like it the best, and it doesn't break my face out. But I want to go ahead and knock this out at the end of October because by October, the end of October, it'll be open 6 months, and I want to get it done before it expires. Number 3, we have the Bioderma Senso Bio H2O. This is the original. I like the hydrating one better, and I have one of those waiting the wings to be used up. So we are right where the top of the paper is at the bottom of the bottle, and I figure this takes a lot longer than you think to use because I only use it to like eye makeup remover, and then I like take it off with this. So that way my eyes are kind of come clean, just instantly without too much tugging on my eye area, and I'll kind of use it to clean up underneath my eyes for fallout. I don't use it to like take off a full face of makeup, so I don't use it for that. I use it for like cleaning up purposes and cleaning my eyes off, mostly because my eyes are pretty sensitive and this does not burn my eyes. So I really like it. I will always have a bottle in my collection, but like I said, I like the hydrating one better, so that's what I have waiting to be used next. So product number 4. Number 5, Kate Sommerville's Clarifying Treatment Toner. I really like this toner. I didn't like the Kate Sommerville cleanser. It broke my face out like crazy. The Eradicate cleanser really took my face through the ringer, guys. But I really like this toner. I got to use this without that cleanser, just with the Glossier cleanser, which I pretty much am done with. And I really like how those 2 things kind of keep my face on track. Talk about hand skills, girl got catch. What? But it's right here, right by the side that says 12-month shelf life. And I hadn't had this 12 months. I bought this like in May maybe, and I've kind of used it up pretty rapidly. I use it only once a day, and I think it works pretty well. Would I repurchase? I don't know. I might repurchase. It's not a no, but I might. But I have other toners kind of in the wings waiting to be used. But this is where I am on this, and I'm going to try to use it up by the end of the month, end of October. So goal for most of these products is going to be end of October, end of this month if I can. And like I said, every one I use, I'm going to rotate out a new product, rotate that one out to my empties and rotate a new one in. So my empties is where you'll see where I use this up at, but I'll try to keep updates on these going as well throughout the year, like do separate updated videos for things that I rotate into the project. So like I said, this video is going to be short and sweet. Thank you guys for sticking around and watching this video, and this is going to be the introduction to my 5-pan rolling skincare project. Cannot wait to see how it goes, guys. It's gonna be fun. I really like project panning, and I probably will do a makeup project pan coming up soon, another like a 5-pan rolling makeup project pan. Like I just want to hit pan on some things like bronzers, face powders, setting powders, finishing some stuff up, hitting pan on the eyeshadow this rest of this year. So you know, maybe those things are in my future, maybe. So we shall see, but thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys are part of the panning community or if you do any panning of your own, just kind of focusing in and using your products to the end. Let me know. See you guys around. Bye.